In this video, I'll explain the archive script, a powerful utility for debugging and troubleshooting API gateway issues. When you encounter problems with the API Gateway Manager or a specific project and need assistance from the API Gateway team, gathering the right diagnostic information is crucial. Manually collecting logs, configuration files, and project details can be time-consuming and error-prone. That's where the archive script is beneficial. This utility automatically collects all the necessary diagnostic information and packages it into a single zip file that you can share with the API Gateway team. This ensures they have everything needed to help resolve your issue quickly. Manually collecting diagnostic data can be time-consuming and error-prone. Archive script collects all diagnostic information automatically. Archive script packages the data into a single file for sharing. Let me show you how to use it. First, navigate to your API Gateway installation directory. From there, go to the Packages folder and then to the Manageability folder. As you can see, you will find the archive.py script here. Let us run archive.py -h to see the usage information and the parameters it accepts. Let us understand each parameter one by one. The first parameter is project_id, which you can specify using -i. Use this to include files for a specific project in the archive, such as YAML files, config files, log files, and more. If the parameter is not specified, the archive will only contain manager level information, which is useful for general troubleshooting. Next is the props_file parameter, which you can specify using -f. This points to the application.properties file used to start the API Gateway Manager. If the parameter is not specified, the script uses the default properties file mentioned in the help text. The third parameter is output_dir, which you can specify using -d. This determines where the archive file will be saved. If the parameter is not specified, the script uses the default directory, which is in the Archives folder under your API Gateway workspace. The fourth parameter is archive_name, which you can specify using -n. This lets you specify a custom name for the output archive file. If the parameter is not specified, the script generates a unique name for the file. Let's walk through a real scenario. Suppose I am experiencing issue with a specific project called CLI-proj and I need to share its log and configuration details with the API Gateway team. To do this, I'll create an archive using the -i parameter to specify the project ID and keep the remaining parameters at their default values. Once executed, the archive is created successfully. The script displays the location where the zip file has been saved. You can now share this zip file with the API Gateway team for further analysis. That's all for this demonstration. Thanks for watching.